Simplify fully, 3 over 2x minus 6 minus x plus 5 over x squared plus 2x minus 15. So we've got 3 over 2x minus 6 minus x plus 5 over x squared plus 2x minus 15. Right, so here I'm going to factorise out. We're going to factorise both denominators. So that this denominator here will become 2 brackets x minus 3. And this one will become into 2 brackets x and x. The powers of 15 are 3 and 5. I want plus 2, so this one would have to be plus and this would have to be minus. Otherwise you'd have to use the idea of product sum factors to factorise this. Right, we can see that the common denominator will have to be 2 x minus 3 x plus 5. So it'll be 2 x minus 3 x plus 5. Now, in order to make this 2 times x minus 3 times x plus 5, we've multiplied by x plus 5, so we need to do the same to the 3. So it becomes 3 times x plus 5 minus, in order for this to become 2x minus 3 x plus 5, we need to multiply this by 2. Therefore, we had to multiply this side by 2 as well. So we've got 2 brackets x plus 5. Right, writing down the same common denominator. So if we expand brackets across the top, we're going to get 3x plus 15 minus 2x minus 10. Be careful here that you do actually change the sign. Minus times a plus makes a minus. We're now going to collect in the numerator the like terms. So collecting like terms, in the numerator we've got 3x minus 2x, which gives me x, 15 minus 10, which gives me 5. Now we notice we've got an x plus 5 and an x plus 5 here. So we're going to cancel those as like terms. So we'll cancel that one out, and when we cancel this one out, we need to replace it with a 1. So the fraction comes down to being 1 over 2 brackets x minus 3. So this has been a video to show you how to subtract 2 algebraic fractions. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.